Down News Dictation 64 New Para. As per the Israeli account, he targeted the approaching troops with hand grenades, managing to seriously injure at least one of them. Full stop. Unwilling to enter and engage, Israeli forces then called in a tank which fired at the building, seriously injuring he and shredding his right arm. Full stop. Then they called in a drone strike. Full stop. His bodyguards now dead. A critically injured, he sat in an armchair with his face wrapped as the Israeli drone video shows. Full stop. With his one functioning arm, he threw a piece of wood at the approaching quadcopter in a last act of defiance, a singularly human act of resistance in the face of a tech-driven holocaust. Full stop. Even then, it took a sniper shot at long range to finally kill him. Full stop. New para. In death, he also exposed many Israeli lies. For over a year, Israeli media has dutifully reported every claim of Israeli intelligence as to his whereabouts as fact. Full stop. We were told he had fled Gaza and was hiding in another country while his compatriots suffered. Full stop. We were told that he was sheltering among Palestinian civilians in a refugee camp dressed as a woman, a fabrication that was also used to obliquely justify Israeli massacres. Full stop. We were told that Israeli had not targeted him yet because he was sheltering in a tunnel using Israeli hostages as human shields while wearing a suicide vest. Full stop. Instead, he was found on the front lines just a few meters away from the Israeli army's operational area in Rafah, and by releasing the video of his final moments, Israeli has done more to ensure that the legend of his survives than he could ever have imagined. Full stop. New para. Even those with Zionists sympathies have wondered why that decision was made, but to me, it stems from the fundamental Israeli inability to understand the people they have been oppressing and decimating for nearly a century. Full stop. If the Israeli resistance, then they have achieved the exact opposite. Full stop. If they thought that eliminating he would eliminate his movement, then that shows that they have not understood that resistance is not a function of leadership as much as it is a function of operation. Semicolon. So long as the one exists, so too will the other. Full stop. The end.